Hey, what's up? Welcome to the continuation of the eBay BLEM BPE cylinder heads inspection. The replacement head is here, so let's open this sucker up and get started. I still can't find my snap gauges, so I picked up another set. Of course, now that I have these, the other ones will turn up because that's how this stuff works. Also, I got my CC tools out. But before we get to this good stuff, we have to open this sucker up and do some basic checks. So, cue the music. Well, here we are again. Another cylinder head, another problem. But before I show you, I just want to say, I've already contacted someone with a lot more cylinder head experience than me. I sent them pictures, and upon his advice, I've contacted the merchant and also sent him pictures, and he was quick to respond and offered to take back the heads and refund me. So, this is not ideal, but it could be a lot worse. I mean, I'm not too picky. If it's something I can fix, I will. But this is beyond my skills. I'm not saying it's not fixable. It's just more than I want to take on for some budget heads. I mean, sometimes you get a good deal, sometimes you don't. You really got to look things over. I like to give people the benefit of the doubt. I'm not going to say all heads you get on eBay are bad, but so far I'm not having much luck with the OG eBay heads and this set. Well, and I still have the eBay 2.0 heads unboxed, so we'll see. Anyways, let me show you the problem, because I got to box the sucker back up so I can ship it back out tomorrow. Oh, and I'm not gonna bother with the CCing or the measuring the throats or any of that. At this point, there's no point. So here it is. Upon inspection, I found what appears to be a nice sized crack on one of the intake guide bosses. I'll try and hold it steady for you. You can see right there. Now, that crack has potential to be, a coolant leak, oil seeping, vacuum leak, whatever. It is what it is. The merchant was cool enough to give me the option to return the heads and refund me, so that's the route I'm going to go. Like I said, it's not ideal, but this is beyond me. I mean, I never claimed to be an expert in cylinder heads. I'm fortunate to have people who help me out, and it is what it is. So, thanks for watching. Thanks to my friend for, checking out the head and giving me the advice. Thanks to the eBay merchant for refunding me. Hope this helps. Keep it real.